Gentlemen, a great day has come. A day where I was sent something for free. Two somethings. Okay, I paid for one of them. The other one was free. These are the new quad Ballies from FidgetFly. They're like fidget toys, but Balisongs. Balisong fidget toys. Interesting. It was awesome to chat with you. I can't wait to hear what you think. And a personal note. Alright, look at this adorable little thing. Look how tiny it is. There's your size comparison. So, right away I noticed that it looks better in person than it does in the pictures on Instagram. It fits snugly together. Actually, really kind of like how it looks. You see that little design on the handle? That's pretty cool. I really like the ball bearings and the handle and one on the tip of the blade as well. So let's go ahead and... That's so weird. Alright, so my main concern with this is that when you're flipping and it goes to go around your finger, because my finger is like a third the width of the entire handle, my concern was that I wouldn't be able to grab it properly. So that's the first thing we're gonna see is if that fear is unfounded or not. It's kind of cute. I like the grip on it. It's actually quite grippy. It feels good. The handles carry momentum really well. If you can figure out when to let go to get it around your finger, that seems to be the trick. Then it actually moves pretty good. I like it. I was scared that I wouldn't like it because the guy Ben who makes these FidgetFly, he's super nice, and I was terrified that I was going to not like this. Look how snugly it fits together here. It comes and it clicks in. The blade, quote unquote, is this nice cool spiral pattern, and then the handles have the same pattern etched into them, so that it literally fits just perfectly snugly in there, and then perfectly snugly on top. And then it's a nice little tiny package. It's 4 inches long. It's about an inch wide. The fact that I've gotten this used to it this fast is rather promising. Alright. And why did I get the other one? Well, I'm glad you asked. 2 reasons. 1 is to beat the dickens out of it. And 2 is because it's only $20. And I'm supporting this awesome guy. And that's okay with me. For $20 to get this experience, I can do a helix, I promise. Mako. Ah, it's so heavy. Nailed it. This is for people who love Balisongs, who want something they can stick on their pocket. Who want something they can shove in their pocket. Honestly, he should figure out how to do this with a keychain. That would be awesome. Idea, man. If you could put maybe a lanyard hole right there on the end, maybe, and then put a keychain on it, and then you could just snip it off, send it with a carabiner. You have it on your keychain, and you pop it off. That'd be kind of cool. Keychain Balisong. I think that's all I got to say right now. Let's go beat this thing up. Alas, I found the weakness. If you go right here at the top and you drop it from, 6 feet in the air, I talked to Ben with FidgetFly about that, and already there's a fix in place. And I've been giving it feedback and other ideas, and there's some other improvements that I won't name specifically. In their pocket, honestly, he should figure out how to do this with a keychain. That would be awesome. Plus a new color coming in the near future. I've seen the new color, and it's really good. So is this worth 20 bucks? I would say a resounding yes. But there's more than one reason why. Because not only is it a fun experience and a fun new toy and a fun new manufacturer who's got some really cool ideas, it's also a small new manufacturer who is willing to listen to your feedback of his product, who's willing to take that feedback and implement it if he thinks it's worthwhile, to be helpful to him, to talk to him about his process, to learn from him if you're interested in making your own designs yourselves. And even if you don't sell them like Ben does, coming up with your own design and building something out like this, I mean, come on, how cool is that? If you have a 3D printer and you have the software, you can do that. Me, personally, I'm going to be invested in the growth of FidgetFly as much as Ben will let me be, because he's inspired me to take my own steps into Balisong manufacturer. Between him and Rimshi, I've learned so much about the process that I'm starting to think that it might be something that's achievable for me. So right now I'm looking for a 3D printer. I've already got a design in mind. Actually, have like 10 designs in mind. So yeah, 25 bucks to support him and support his dreams while he's inspiring other people and creating new dreams. Sounds like a bargain to me. Well, that's all I got to say today. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for your time. See you on the flip side.